Today we are exploring the AFGIBT 88-key Beginner Electric Digital Piano, a full-size semi-weighted keyboard bundle that promises to kickstart your musical journey right at home. It comes as a complete kit with a sustain pedal, power supply, adjustable stand, carrying case, and headphones, so you are ready to play straight out of the box, whether you are a total newbie or brushing up on your skills. Key features and specifications. This piano sports 88 full-size semi-weighted, touch-sensitive keys that give a more authentic feel compared to unweighted keyboards. You get a whopping 128 instrument voices and 80 demo songs for inspiration, plus Bluetooth connectivity for streaming backing tracks or lessons from your phone. The bundle even includes an adjustable metal stand and a durable carrying case for easy transport by Martinique. Price. At launch, this all-in-one beginner set was pegged at around $189, a solid value considering everything included in the box. Pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a true 88-key experience with useful accessories, making it perfect for practice or small gigs. The semi-weighted action is ideal for developing finger strength. On the downside, the keys aren't fully weighted like high-end pianos, and advanced features like onboard recording or multiple pedal inputs are missing. Customer reviews summary. With a 3.3-star average from 36 reviewers, buyers appreciate the turnkey setup and solid sound palette, though some feel the feel and finish could be more polished. Should you buy it or not? If you want a hassle-free, budget-friendly way to learn piano with all the basics covered, this beginner bundle is a smart pick. However, if you are aiming for gig-ready performance features or fully graded hammer action, you may want to step up to a pricier model.